Hello students, today we see the first lesson of the intelligence and its name is the following instruction. In this lesson we have to follow the instruction which is given in the question. Okay, so for that what they are giving us, some words. Okay, they are giving words, otherwise they are giving some sentences, or some numbers they are providing to us, or some alphabetical letters are there. In English alphabet how the letters are there, in that way the letters are they are providing to us, and based on these words, sentence, number or letter, they are providing us some question. Okay, and we have to solve the questions. So we'll see the question, general question we will see at first term, and the question is here: in word science, in word science, in the word science, this is the main word, in the word science. Okay, this is the main word. In the note, if the word science is written in reverse order, is written in reverse order, which is the third letter, which is the third letter. So this is the question, and again in this question inside they add some information, which is the third letter to the right side, right side of middle most letter. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, so we have to find out the science word inside. If this science word is there, if we written it the reverse order, which is the third letter to the right side of middle letter. So first of all, science we will write in the reverse order. So E, last letter we have to write at first. E. So here it is the answer. Last letter is E. S C I E N C E. This is the science. Okay, spelling of science. And in this science inside, what we have to write the letters in reverse order. First we will see how to solve, and then I will tell you the trick of it. So first will come E. This E we have to write first. Then we have to write the C. Then N. Then E. Then I. C. And here S. So here C I E N C E. So this is the science we written in the reverse order. So what is the question? Which is the third letter to the right side of middlemost letter? So we have to find out how many letters are there in the science. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means third is the middle letter. Third is the middle letter. So from this middle letters, what they are asking to us, which is the third letter from the middle of to the right side of middle letter. So middle letter is E. So our right hand is book's right hand, and our left hand is the book's left hand. Okay, so what they are asking, from middle letter right side's third letter we have to find out. So which is the third letter, you just tell me. If we find it here, this is the right side, so middle letter is E. 1, 2, 3. S. S is its answer. So they are providing us options, that is first option is the C, second option is the E, third option is the S, and fourth option is N. And here they are giving you 4 circles, and you have to write its answer. So what is its answer? Its answer is which? To the right side of middle order. So yes, its answer is S. So we will write here S is its answer. So we have to circle this S. Okay. Now in this way. Now this is the generally we solve. We have to give each question 1 minute for it. Now if you see if you have to write in short, if you want to write, then what they are asking, you have to write in the reverse order. Means here in question only S, C, I, E, N, C, E. So you just start from here only E. Middle letter is always middle only. So middle letters, left side's letters are there, they are right side when we write in reverse order, and right side's lessons will come in the which order? Left side. So just left sides, if they are asking to your right side's letter, then you just take the left side's reverse order is there. Left side's third letter take from the first middle letter. So this is the first question. Now second question is the right side. Okay, so the next point is the, suppose here I will write one word, that is COMMON. Okay, common. Okay, so if this question is there, they maybe ask you how many words are there in this. So at that time you have to write here words. C is there, next O is there, M is there, and N is there. Okay, so O came how many times? 2 times it came. M came how many times? 2 times it came. M came how many times? 1 time. So here how many letters are there in this common word? There are 4 letters. Okay, 4 letters are present in this, okay, common word. So this type of questions are coming. Again, suppose one question they will give in this way also, examination. Okay, in examination word, if they are asking which is the second letter of left side of middlemost letter. So first of all, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If 11 are there, so 5 letters you just leave from this side and 5 letters from this side. So which is the middle letter here? N is the middle letter. So N is middle letter. Now which is the second letter of left side of middlemost letter? So middlemost letter is N. N's left side means your left side, and 1, 2 you have to come from I. N's nearby letter is I, and this is M. So M is its answer. M is its answer. Such a types of questions whatever I am telling to you, that keep in your mind. Suppose sometimes they are giving some letters. Suppose next question is there, form a meaningful word. Form a meaningful word from letters they are given. Letters given L, E, B, U. So these are the letters, and from this we have to make one word. And not only we have to make the word, after preparing, or we have to be making after making form the meaningful words, we have to write the second letter from this word, and write second letter from the word. Okay, so first of all, if we have to write it's a word, so you just try to L-E-U-B. No, this type of word is not there. E-U-B-L, this type also word is not there. Third take B-U-L-E, no. But here we get the idea which word it be. So B-L-U-E, this word is the blue. This word is the B-L-U-E, blue. Okay, now in this blue word inside, what is the question? Write the second letter from the second letter of the word. So which is the second letter here? L is the second letter. First letter, second letter, third letter, fourth letter. So any they ask you, if first letter they are asking, B is there, second letter is L, third letter is U, fourth letter is E. In this way we have to write the positions of the letter inside the question. Okay, again sometimes they are giving one word we will see here, R-E-H-O-S, Okay, so which word we can make from this? REHOS. So if you make it, if you try each letter with other letters, then you will get the. So its a meaningful word is which forms? HORSE, horse. Okay, so horse is the meaningful word, and in this word inside this, if we write the positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you will understand that any question let them ask. If once you get the question word which is that they ask any question which is the second letter from the left, so it is O. Which is the second letter from the right, it is S. Which is the first letter end letter, that is E. Which is the first letter H. Which is the middlemost letter R. So in this way, any questions they may ask you. Sometimes they are asking such a type of questions also. Which is the second letter from the middlemost letter towards its right side, so which is E. Towards left side it is H. Okay, so in this way the questions based on the words we are studying. Okay, so inside it what they are asking, middlemost letter they may be asked, write in reverse order and then form, then later prepare a word, and from that word we have to write the, by jumbled words they will ask you to make a meaningful word, and from that meaningful word, based on that meaningful word we have to write the what it's a questions they may be asking, so we have to write for it. Now we will see some more types of which questions. We will study some more types of questions. Now how many meaningful words of each of two letters form from the word song? So here question is there, how many meaningful words how many meaningful words each of two letters are formed from the word SONG. So this is the question. So from song we have to make some meaningful words. Okay, and how many we can make, that we will see. SO, so this is the first word. ON, on, this is another word. Okay, GO, go. Then NO, follow. Here they had not told, don't change the order of the sentence. So we can use the anywhere letter we can join with the any letter. So here four words form. Again we will see SG is word, no. GS is the word, no. NG is word, no. GN is word, no. So how many are there? So four words are formed by using this meaningful from this SONG song. So now question options how they are giving to us. That is first option is, here numbers they are giving 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which is the correct answer? 4 is the correct answer. You just circle the fourth one. Okay, so in this way you have to, these types of questions are also coming for the exam. Next we'll see the next part. In a language, next questions we will see. In language, here I am taking the practice questions based on these instructions. In language, if language is called maths, okay, maths is called geography. Maths is called geography. Question I will write first is called geography. Okay, language is called maths. Maths is called geography. Okay, geography. And geography is called science. Geography is called science. Geography is called science. And science is called history. Science is called history. So this information is giving, and based on this information they are asking the question. So in which subject map is reading? In which subject? In which subject? In which subject is the map? Is the map reading included? So this is the question. It is actually very easy. Anyone can answer for this. And so first of all, we must know that map is we are studying in which subject? Map we are, yes, correct. Map we are studying in geography. Maths we are studying in the geography. So here maths we are studying in the geography. So for this question we have to find out. So sometimes what we are saying, geography means we are writing geography. So options are 4 only. First option is geography. Second option is the maths. Third option is science. And fourth option is history. Okay, so these are the fourth option. From this we have to write any one option we have to choose. For 8th standard we have to choose the 2 options, but for this 5th standard we have to choose one only option. So first of all, what we have to know that map we are studying, actually map we are studying in which subject? Geography. So geography, what we are saying to it here, what the information is, geography is called as a science. So we are getting confused, science is the answer or geography is the answer. So at that time you just don't get confused. Why? Because geography, the sentence which is focused here, geography is called as a science. So its answer is science. Okay, why? Because science is called as a geography. In this way they gave the instruction. If they ask you the question, in which subject we are studying the digestive system, so science inside. Actually the science we are studying digestive system in science, so science is called as a history. So the question's answer is history, not science. Understand? Actually we are doing the study of digestive system in science, but science is called as history. That's why history is its answer. If they ask you in which subject we are studying the construction of a triangle, so actually we are studying it in the maths, but maths is called as a geography. So geography will be the answer. If they are asking in which subject you are studying the poems, so here poem actually we are studying in language. Yes, language means it may be English, it may be Marathi or Hindi. So actually we are studying these poems in language, but language is called as maths. So its answer will be maths. So in this way these tricky questions are there, and that we have to solve. We see the next question. Sometimes they are giving the series of letters. Okay, so I will write here one series of letters. Then so in exam such a type of question will come. Just I will write the series P S Q R S P S R P S P Q S P S R. So these are the letters. Okay. So in the given letter series, how many times S immediately followed by P is the question. In this series, yes, immediately followed by which? P. Followed means what? If immediately followed by P. So P is there. P is followed. Followed means towards the left side. Means S immediately followed by P. Means we have to find SP series in this. So how many times SP came in this series? Followed by means we have to take P, S immediately followed by P. So P right and followed by, so write it backside S. So S is followed by B means we have to find out SP in this series. So SP how many times came here I will show you with different color. So here it is SP. Here P is given, not we have to find out SP series. Here it is also SR, here PS. No, PS don't want SP. Here is also SP. So how many times it came here? So here options, which are the options? Simply 1, 2, 3, 4. These only options are there. Second, third option, fourth option. And we have to choose the what? Correct one for this. And how many times SP came here? 1, 2 and 3. So we have to circle 3 where it comes on third position. If it is at another position, you just circle the bad number. So that is about, this is the, means they are giving the series of letters, and from the series of letters we have to write the answers for the question. Some more examples we will see. Based on, so followed by means we have to find out the SP how many times came here in it. Now sometimes what they are giving, the numbers they are giving. So numbers I will write here 4, 3, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, 3, 5, 3, 3, then 2, 3, 4. So these are the number series they provide us. In this number series, how many times 3 follow 2? 3 follow 2 means what? 3 follow 2 means 3 we have to write. 3 follow 2 means 23. 23 we have to find inside it. But 2 does not follow 3. 2 does not follow 3. Means 2's backside means behind 3 we doesn't want. Means 2, 3, 23. What? Does not. 3 follow by 2. But 2 does not follow the 3. So that is the question. So we have to find out 2, 3. But 3, 2, 3 is there. Then we have to avoid this number. So how many times it comes, that we will see. So here it is, in this what we have to find out, 23 we have to just see how many times 23 came here. So 23 is here, here is also 23, here is also 23, then suppose here 3, 3, 2 given, here 23 is there, but it's behind who is there, 3 is there. So if in this series inside, if we see here this 23 we have to find out, but 23's backside if 3 is there we have to cancel. 23's backside 5 is there, so it we have to take. 23 is behind, 2 is there, so we have to take this. Now here is also 23, but it's a backside which letter is there, 3 is there, so we have to cancel 3. So how many times 23? 2 followed by 3, but 3 does not followed by the 3. So that the answer is the how many times we have to, they maybe give the options such a way that thrice, twice. Suppose it is thrice. Second option is the twice. Fourth option is the third option is the 4 times. Okay, and they may be give once. Okay, so from this which we have to choose, how many times our came? 2 followed by 3, that is 2 times. 2 followed by 3, 4 times. But if 3 follows 2, then we have to cancel it. So its answer is the twice. 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 So its answer we have to circle. That is the second we have to circle from this. Okay, so such types of questions are there. Again we will see one more questions. Again this number series only is there. So in this question inside, we will write the question at first. How many times prime numbers are given? How many prime numbers are given? How many prime numbers are given in the set of numbers given below? In the set of numbers given below. So first of all we will write here numbers. So numbers are 1, 2, 7, 9, then 13, 15, 21, 23, 27, and lastly 29. So this is the number series. In this number series, how many times prime numbers are given in the set of numbers below? So first of all, you must know that 1 is not prime nor a composite. Not prime nor composite number. Okay. Second, you must know that which are the prime numbers. So prime numbers are the numbers which are present its own table only, okay, or they are divisible by itself only. So which are those numbers? So first it is the 2. 2 is the even prime number. As you know that 2 is the even prime number. Next it is 7. Yes, it is also present in its own table. 9 is present in 3 table. 3 is a 9, 9 is a 9. It is present in more than one table. So it is not a prime number. It is odd number. 13. It is present in its own table only. 15 is present in 3 5 is a 15, 5 3 is a 15, 15 1 is a 15. So it is present in more than one table. It is not a prime number. Next 21 is present in 3 7 is a 21, 7 3 is a 21, then 21 1 is a 21. So it is also present in more than one table. Next it is 23. It is present in its own table only. 27 is present in 9 3 is a 27, 3 9 is a 27, 27 1 is a 27. So it is present more than one table. So it is not a prime. So last is the 29. 29 is present in its own table. So how many numbers are there prime here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many numbers are there? 5. So from the given options you have to choose the option which is, they gave us here the numbers. They may be give 7, 6, 5 and the 4. So our answer is how much? It is 5. So from this 4 circles we have to choose the option number 3. This is option number 3 and that is its answer. So in this way these types of questions will come in the paper, and today we will take today's test inside such a type of questions practice we will take. So all of you solve it very means it is actually very interesting, and you will get the out, definitely you will get the out of mark in today's practice paper. So today what we had seen, the following the instruction means instruction they are giving to us, and the instruction are based on words. That words we had seen. Some sentences also we had seen here. This is a sentence, how it is that I told you. Then next it is the numbers. So numbers it is there, and the letters also we seen how it is the question. So based on this all we had studied today. So you have to solve today's test very means we have to read the questions carefully, okay, and try to solve the question within 1 minute, one question. So you will get the, definitely you will get the more and more marks. So today we will stop here only. So all of you practice it. Do so. Okay. Thank you.